What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Luis. Welcome back to another Welding Wednesday. Today I'm going to be showing you guys the progression of my machine. I'm almost done with it. It just needs a fuel tank and a radiator cover, and of course a little miscellaneous stuff, bolts and stuff. But I'm almost there. I'm almost done. I'm going to be inserting a bunch of time-lapse footage, little clips that I have. I was going to do a small, like step-by-step video, but man, I knew if I did that, it would have taken way too long, and I wouldn't be where I'm at right now. And I'm the type of person that once I start something, I like to finish it, especially if it's something important. This is beyond important. This is my money maker. This is how I make all my money, well, most of my money. But I hope you guys enjoy these little clips and time-lapse videos that I'm about to show you guys. So let's get to it, baby. Alright guys, so the only internal damage, it's not really internal, it's the frame. It hit so hard down here, it bent this motor mount and it bent this whole side of the undercarriage of the machine. So it shifted the radiator and the shroud, everything. It shifted it over that way just a little bit, and it's hitting, the shroud is now, it's bent so far that way, it's hitting my fan. So really the damage is down here. You can see it, come this way. You can see where it landed down here. All this, it hit so hard, it shifted that radiator over that way a little bit. Quite a bit, not a little bit. Right now I'm trying to see what I can do. So at least it'll free up the fan, so I can at least crank it and weld with it. But I don't really see, I might have to just either cut that or remove the whole shroud. I don't want to do that, but I might have to. So right now what I need to remove is this shroud, right? It's hitting the fan. It's all bent up from down here. This frame is it's no good no more. I don't see it being fixable. It's all bent in different places. My best bet is just to pull everything out and put it in either a new frame or a SA200 frame or something. I thought it was gonna be just a little easy fix to get it to welding, but it's more than that. Right now I'm pulling out the coolant hose, the top hose. I'm probably gonna have to remove. Okay, I'm gonna have to remove the feed and the return. So I gotta get my little bucket. This one I already loosened it up. I just need to remove it. Here we go. Bam. Bam. Okay, that wasn't too bad. Probably should have removed the bottom first. But there we go with the next one. Come on, babe. Okay. Here's the next one. Probably should be wearing a lot for them. Got some of it. Ooh. Little tweak, little fart, little something. So the radiator's off. Coolant's out, most of it. Okay guys, so I've been working on the machine. I thought it was gonna be an easy fix. I thought it was just the fan shroud that was a little bent out of whack, but it's not. It's the actual frame. I don't know if you guys can see that, but the motor mount, the frame down there, it hit so hard on this back corner that it pushed the frame up a little bit. So the frame is shot. It just gives me an excuse to put in a chopped SA200 frame. That's probably the way that I'm gonna go with it, unless I find, whatever I find first it's what's gonna happen first. Right now, it cranks and it welds, but the fan shroud right here was bent. The only way that it hooks up is onto the frame down here. And since the frame is bent, the shroud was kicked over that way, which was hitting right here, as you guys can see, right there. It was caught up. Now it's free. I cranked it. It runs and everything. I just got to put the radiator back on, put that back on there, and put some new juice in it, and start crank it. Finally got all the electrical off. I set it over there to the side. Now it's I'm gonna start taking off the motor mounts. I think I should be good just to go ahead and pick it up and set it in this frame. See what I have to modify to this frame. I might have to do a little bit of tweaking, but it'll be minimal. But yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know I got all the electrical off. It looks scarier than it is. It's not that tough at all. Fuel lines are disconnected, everything's disconnected, ready to pick this motor up and see what we can do with it. Alright guys, so I got it all mounted. I had to use the old motor brackets off the frame. Not the motor mounts, just the brackets. I bolted them down into here. I had to gut this frame completely, take everything out of it. Nothing was good, nothing lined up, nothing matched, nothing. But finally, motor is solid, it's mounted, squared up, everything's good. Now I'm about to start mounting all the electrical stuff. The fuel tank, I'm gonna have to modify the fuel tank or build a custom one. I don't know yet, but the motor is officially mounted. I didn't want to make a video. I think I time-lapsed all the cutting and all that. It wasn't good. It's just me cutting, grinding, buffing, and a whole bunch of mess, dirty work. I had to give a little update on where I'm at now. I'm about to mount all the electrical that goes right here, and then radiator, exhaust, and I think that should be it. Like I said, the fuel tank is gonna have to either be custom or I'm gonna have to mess with that one. And then the faceplate will be the very last step. The faceplate, I might have to get a custom one, or I might build one if I can. But just to give you guys a little update, that's where I'm at. and I'm gonna keep on rocking. All right, guys, so this is the end of today. I'm finally another stopping point. I got it all, got everything in there. It fit up pretty good. I got most of the wiring hooked up, well, mounted. I still gotta mount the other side of it, but it's looking pretty good so far. Here it is. This is what it's looking like. I put the body on it just so I could see what it's gonna look like, just for giggles. But here we go. Stay tuned. Tomorrow will be another day. Hopefully we get up to like 90% done. I think right now we're probably like at a 65, 70, 75, somewhere around there. All right, guys. Bye. All right, guys. So today I'm gonna be installing all the brackets so I can mount that. All the electrical right now is just kind of free floating. I'm gonna have to either build something so I can mount it right there. Probably come off of there and then over that way and that way. But that's where I'm at today. I just put the faceplate on and the body on to see what it would look like, but we're getting there. It's closer. The more important thing was the motor being mounted, and it's mounted, so we're gonna keep on rolling with it. See how far we can get today. So y'all stay tuned. All right, guys, I got everything mounted. Yeah, it's down there on the ground. Everything's mounted. All the electric is mounted. I had to make that little bracket mount. Radiator is mounted. Exhaust is mounted as well. It's a mess in here right now. I got my older brother helping me.
Hey, don't turn it back, guys.
He's about to cut open the faceplate. Here we go. Exhaust is mounted, radiator is mounted. You gotta do the radiator spout. That'll be later on.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Bailey. I'm taking a break after putting this machine together by myself.
You didn't put it back together.
I'm letting the helper do the rest of the job. Obviously, he knows how to get his nails done, and so I'm letting him do the rest of the work. But that's how today's going.
All right, guys. Here is the first crank. See if it cranks. Yes, sir. You got it running, boys? Yes, sir. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Hell yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed the time lapses. I hope you guys enjoyed the clips that I put in there. I know it wasn't a step-by-step video, but like I said, I couldn't do a step-by-step. I wouldn't be anywhere near done with this machine. I know it for a fact. And I probably wouldn't even have done a step-by-step. I would have gotten pissed off and just throw my phone somewhere. But the fuel tank, we finally got stainless in. I got a big old sheet. I was gonna get 2 smaller sheets, but I decided to just get one big one, and it was not cheap at all. Stainless is not cheap. The fuel neck, that's another little issue that I ran into, but I think I can get away with cutting this one out. I got it filled up with water. I'm gonna dump it out tomorrow and then fill it up again with water and dump it out. I'm gonna cut the fuel neck out of this one. Once we have this built up, we're gonna weld this fuel neck onto this tank, so it fits up just like factory. You can't even tell it's got a new fuel tank in there. Shout out to Heavy Hitters for the TIG rig. It's a 150 amp TIG rig. It feels really good. I'm excited to try this thing out. I'm really excited to try this thing out. If you guys want to see a video of just us building the fuel tank and welding it up, cutting, purging it, all that, let me know in the comments, please. Let me know in the comments if you want to see just this by itself, the fuel tank build. I more than likely will, because this is going to take quite a bit of time, and I think it'll be some good TIG action. Like I said, I'm excited to be where I'm at. I'm beyond excited. Just a couple weeks ago, that thing was junk. It was all beat up, and now I think I got a pretty cool one-of-a-kind machine. It's a 400 Pro in a 304. I'm ready to see that thing rocking and rolling on a main line somewhere, or just welding anywhere. I'm ready to be out there and burning rods with it, so I can finally get some more welding footage, some more TIG footage, stick footage, everything. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, if there's something that you didn't like, let me know in the comments. If there's something that you do like, drop a like. For all the new guys on here, go ahead and subscribe, because right now it's not the best content, and I know that. But as soon as I get my machine running, it's pound town, baby. I'm gonna be putting out some welds. The giveaway. I have not forgotten about the giveaway. I'm waiting on a couple key pieces to come in. Like I said in the previous video, there's most of it's in already, but there's some really cool pieces that they haven't come in yet, and a lot of it got delayed because of the snow. Our mail wasn't even coming through for the past 3-4 days, 5 days almost, the whole time it snowed. But as soon as everything is in, I'm gonna announce it. I know I was gonna announce it the 12th, and I don't know why I put a date on it. This is my first time doing a giveaway, and now I know for next time, next giveaway, which hopefully is pretty soon. Subscribers, they're going up pretty quick. All you guys that are subscribing, I appreciate it 1,000%, 1,000,000%. I'm pretty excited. I'm back. My attitude is coming back up. Everything's just falling into place. Thank God. But like I said, if you like something, if you don't like something, drop it in the comments. Make sure to like this video and subscribe.